if you don't know me, Chipotle is literally my life. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. For today's video, I decided to talk to you guys about how we can save money in college with our student IDs and school emails. So if you are an incoming freshman in college like me, we're gonna use these and we're gonna save money. I have 10 discounts to talk to you guys about that we can get. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below for more videos just like these, and always leave a nice comment and be nice. So as always, I'm going to be using my iPad for my notes. Alright, so the first discount for college students I'm going to talk about is Amazon Prime. Me and my family have personally been Prime members for like a long time. It honestly comes like in really good handy. Like I was ordering a lot of costumes for like my musicals and stuff for school, so I just kept ordering things and like having to send things back, so you get like free shipping and everything. It's just a really good deal. For students with your college ID, you can get Prime free for 6 months, and then after that I think it's half the cost of normal Prime. And basically with this you get free movies, free music, free books on like a Kindle, like unlimited books. You get discounts on certain items, you get free shipping on certain items, and there are a lot of perks, so I definitely recommend signing up for Prime with your student email if you haven't done that already, because you get free for 6 months. And like whenever I actually just purchased my ring light from Amazon, there was like a discount on it and I got free shipping, which was totally awesome. The next kind of free thing you can get is Apple Music. So I have been an Apple Music person for a long time. But for $4.99 a month, you can get Apple Music with your student ID compared to the normal $9.99 a month, which is a pretty good deal, I personally think. So I recommend, because you can pretty much download the whole iTunes library to your phone and have access to it at all times. So I think it's a pretty good deal for only $5 getting all that music a month. The next one that I have is Spotify. I personally, like I said, don't use Spotify, but they do offer something for students. I don't know what it is because like I don't use it, but I would check it out if you are an avid Spotify user, because I know a lot of people love Spotify. Number 4 is actually an app that you can get for free, but if you register with your student email, well, it's called Unidays. And if you register with your student email, like it literally makes you, you can get access to different scholarship opportunities from like big businesses, coupons to like American Eagle, Nike, Adidas, I saw, Aerie, different food places as well. It would be perfect for like back to school shopping, because like coupons, who doesn't like coupons? Oh, next I have a couple food places. So one of these is literally the love of my life. Like I cannot live without it. At both Chick-fil-A and Chipotle, if you purchase some kind of like meal or entree thing, you can get a free drink. I know it doesn't sound like much, but like who wouldn't want a free drink with their burrito bowl? Because like I know I would. And like if you don't know me, Chipotle is literally my life.
Chipotle is my life.
So yeah, Chick-fil-A and Chipotle, they got you. My 7th discount is actually Microsoft Office. I know a lot of universities actually do give Microsoft Office to their students, faculty, staff, everyone. Your college should have like some kind of link that you can go onto, and then you can download it onto your personal computer like from there. And that's what I did. It was 100% free. So if they don't give you information, just like Google like your college with like Microsoft Office and something might come up for it, but that is also a thing that a lot of colleges do that you probably don't know about. The next thing is the Adobe Suite. So I personally am going for communications, graphic design, that whole thing. So I have to have Photoshop, especially when I start taking my minor in visual communication design classes. So at least at my school, we can get the whole Adobe Suite, like the design suite, for only $75 a year, which is super cheap, because if you would just buy it normally for like the $12 a month, you're spending $120, I think, a year. I don't do math. It's probably wrong, actually. Don't listen to me. Yes, it's like a really good discount, honestly, because Photoshop and like InDesign, Illustrator, all that is super expensive. So there's probably some kind of deal through your school, especially if it's part of your major. If it's not part of your major, you don't need it, like don't worry about it, but like I mean if you want it, it still exists. Next one is also an app that you can actually use when you are in college. So it is called Pocket Points, and basically what you do is you turn your phone off. Like I think you have to be like on campus or like in a class or something like that, but you turn your phone off and then you basically get points and get coins, and then you can turn those in to get discounts for like food, clothes, anything you really need. My 10th one that offers student discounts is actually directly the Apple Store. Basically, if you are making an Apple purchase, I think of any kind, I don't know if it has to be just on like technology, like a computer, phone, watch, or iPad, but if you have your student ID, or like you say like you are accepted or enrolled at whatever university or college, they will give you the student discount. I think it's like 20%. I know when I bought my Mac, it was like $200 off of it. It just kind of varies on like what you're buying, I think. That $200 can go a really long way, especially with buying a big computer. So, I think it's pretty cool. Personally, like I bought my laptop for college at my bookstore, so like the discount was already there. But if you were to go directly to the Apple Store, you can also show them your ID and they'll be like, oh, okay, you're a student, like you get the discount. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about these little like life hack student discount things that you can get all with just your ID. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and subscribe for more videos just like these ones. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys, see you soon.